Let's begin.
What element is the primary component of organic compounds? Which compound is a greenhouse gas with a global warming potential higher than CO2 and contains fluorine? Which rare earth element is critical in permanent magnets for electric motors, e.g., NdFeB magnets? Which element is the main component of coal and hydrocarbons? Which compound has the IUPAC name sodium chloride? Which compound's crystalline form, rutile, is a major ore of titanium dioxide used in pigments? What element gives table salt its sodium component? Which element's allotropes include white, red, and black varieties and is used in matches? Which element exhibits multiple oxidation states, commonly -2, +2, +4, and forms the basis of organic functional groups? What is the chemical formula for carbon dioxide? Which element was discovered in 1898 and later named francium, the second rarest naturally occurring element? Which compound is the primary active ingredient in ozone-depleting substances historically called halons? Which metal is liquid at room temperature? What is the primary industrial use of sulfuric acid? Which compound displays hydrogen bonding and has a boiling point anomalously high for its molar mass, ammonia or water?